It's been 2025 and I have not been posting for 4 years, and we've grown up. My teeth is still little good. So my little brother's here for today's video. He's here now. His teeth is so good, better than mine. I don't know why. And we are gonna post for now on. Yeah, for now on. 2025. I've not posted in a while. I haven't posted in a year. Yes. And let's post. Yeah. I mean, after this video, I'll post anything, then I'll search for more videos that I can post with me. Yeah. Actually, we'll be doing the Girl Scout again. Yeah. We'll make it better. Because my teeth is now good. Yes. Mine too. Then it's broke. It broke? Then, oh yeah, it broke a year ago. Yeah, a year ago. On May. Yeah. On May. Yeah. So guys, we'll be posting now. See you later.